Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to welcome everybody that's joining my channel recently, and I also want to welcome new members in the future. But my name is Ron Brazier, and I'm a certified master gardener for the state of Hawaii for the past 6 years. I have made emeritus status, meaning that I have completed all of the required voluntary hours over the course of 5 years, which was 310 hours, but I believe I did like 430 hours. I believe in volunteering and gardening. It's a wonderful thing to do. I've been gardening since I was 9 years old, and my grandmother taught me how to garden, and I still have some of her seeds from her collection. But I'm doing this channel because there's a lot of misinformation out there on gardening tips, gardening advice, how to grow things, how to transplant things, how to weed. Should you use Roundup? Should you not use Roundup? When can you use Roundup? I mean, I get so many different questions about so many different kinds of plants from all of my friends. I also do booth events at malls and fairs and exhibitions, and I just have a passion for plants. It's just one of my things that I love to do, and I can usually take a piece of anything and grow it into a humongous plant. And then I'll have tons of them to give away to my friends or to sell or to just propagate more of. I just love growing plants, answering questions about plants. Anything to do with plants, I'm the guy to come to. I know about medieval plants, I know about medicinal plants, I know about endemic species of Hawaii, indigenous species of Hawaii, the canoe plants of Hawaii, weeds of Hawaii. We have a lot of weeds and invasive species here that we're really trying to get under control right now. There's also research into different funguses and different insects that come and invade the island. So this channel is going to be about a broad range of topics, from hiking to showing you plants on hikes, to showing you plants in rainforests, to showing you plants in my garden, to showing you plants in the front of my garden, which I still haven't shown you yet because there's so much going on back here. I figured it would be better just to stick to this area and just do all this. So anything to do with plants, anywhere in the world, I'm the guy to come to because I'm an expert in the field of plants, and if I don't know the answer, I have a huge resource of information of people that I can contact and ask questions, and then they'll give me the answer and they'll get you the answer. So please follow my channel. Please like my Facebook page. Please like my Instagram page at Green and Kailua. And just keep following me for great tips, advice on gardening, and for just a really fun, interesting, I like to make everything fun and interesting and exciting for people and get people excited about gardening and just using all of the right things to make a really beautiful garden. So that's all. I hope you will join me on this new journey. It's going to be fun, exciting. I have so many ideas for videos, so please follow and you're going to have a great time. And please feel free to ask any kind of questions that you want in the comments, and I will answer them as quickly as possible. Thank you for your support, and let's begin this great, amazing journey.